Hand pump. Hand pump is a tool to force air into an inflatable object. I need to use the hand pump to inflate the raft before I can go on the lake. Hand pump. Wetsuit booties. Wetsuit booties. Sailing gloves. Sailing gloves provide grip and hand protection while sailing. Sailing gloves. Wetsuit. Wetsuit. Wetsuit is for divers. They wear wetsuits to stay warm underwater. Wetsuit. Paddle. Paddle is used to move a canoe, kayak, or paddleboard. Paddle. Paddle. Life vest. Life vest is a sleeveless jacket filled with buoyant material. Life vest. Life vest. Backpack. This is a backpack. Backpack. Diving fins. Diving fins help you swim more efficiently. I put on my diving fins before I started snorkeling to help me move faster in the water. Diving fins. Harpoon. It is used for fishing. Harpoon. Flip-flops. It is a casual sandal. You can wear your flip-flops after leaving the beach. Flip-flops. Wellington boots. They are tall boots used for walking in wet conditions. Wellington boots. Hat. It is a head covering that can be used for style or protection from the elements. Hat. Travel pillow. Thermos. It keeps liquids at a constant temperature. Thermos. Fishing rod. It is used for catching fish. Fishing rod. Camping chair. It is a portable chair. You can take wherever you go. This is a camping chair, too. Air mattress. It is an inflatable mattress. You can easily transport for camping. Air mattress. Camping tent. It is for sleeping outdoors. Camping tent. This is floor mat. Floor mat. Exercise ball. It is for various fitness exercises. Exercise ball. Thigh master. It has two padded handles. It is used for strengthening your inner thighs. Thigh master. Foam roller. It is a cylindrical piece. Foam roller. Boxing gloves. Boxers wear these gloves. Boxing gloves. You can see dumbbells in different kilos. It is a bar. A dumbbell is used for strengthening arms. Dumbbells. Helmet. Helmet is a hard hat. I wear a helmet when riding my bike to protect my head. Helmet. This is a skateboard. It is for riding. Skateboard. Have you ever used skateboard? Please let me know in the comments. You can see different models of rollerblades here. Rollerblade. It has a single row of wheels attached to a boot. Rollerblade. Table tennis racket. It is used to hit the ball in the table tennis sport. Table tennis racket. Table tennis ball. Table tennis ball. It is used for playing table tennis. Bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels, 1 seat, and 2 pedals. Bicycle. Soccer ball. Basketball. Goal net. Cleat shoe. Cleat shoe. Soccer players put on their cleats before games to get a good grip on the grass. Cleat shoe. Sports watch. Sports watch. Swimming goggle. A swimming goggle is used to protect your eyes while swimming. Swimming goggle. Sandals. Pants. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.